Hi, Carl Ford here at WebRTC Conference and Expo in Atlanta, and I'm with Matt Cockett, who is EVP and GM. Is that right?
That's correct, yeah.
My God, that's a hell of a title.
It is.
And what's the scope exactly of your work?
Yeah, so Acision, for people that don't know us here, is a specialist in messaging technology. So we work with around 250 mobile operators around the world, and we've put in the messaging systems over the last 15 years or so. My role as a GM of our enterprise business is to come in and expose out that technology to the wider world, other types of business, other verticals, into the enterprise space. So for the last 12 months, I've been building out our technology set.
Okay, and you made an acquisition of Crocodile RCS. So tell me about that.
So we were behind the first deployment of a commercial SMSC. We really like to get in early with these technologies. Believe WebRTC is a really disruptive technology. Crocodile, UK-based business, been very involved with it since the very beginning. Seemed like a really strong play for us to acquire them, bring them into the business, and they're already dramatically growing our portfolio of products in this space.
Okay, and I understand that we've got an announcement about you guys having an SDK here now.
So we've launched an SDK here at the Expo, basically making our technology instantly consumable by a developer. The SDK enables two-way in-app chat, SMS fallback, audio, voice, presence, video. So we think that's a great way of us just scaling the technology. As in the past, we'd work with the carrier to install our technology, and we still do that. But that's long. We're talking multiple months, maybe even years for deployment. This is about rapidly deploying what we've got and bringing it out to an array of verticals.
Okay, and sometimes the enterprise developers need tier support, like somebody to kind of help them. Are you guys providing some sort of guide or some sort of GitHub source code to help them think about what they want to do?
So all that's available on our website to download as of this week. The other thing to kind of get across about our business is we're about 1,000 employees. We have around 300 engineers. We have about 110 people in our support business. So we have that real culture of supporting high volume services. We're doing a lot of World Cup SMS support at the moment around the world. So we really want to make sure that anyone that kind of takes our technology and wants to deploy it at scale knows that they can get that from us.
Excellent. So I'll not joke and use the word goal like that for the World Cup. But I will ask you the question.
England are going to win the World Cup.
England's going to win the World Cup, even though you lost to Italy. We'll ignore that fact.
But anyone with any credibility in the World Cup has lost to Italy.
Yes, and my understanding is you guys appreciate Italy's style, so it's not like you have a real grudge match with them. No.
Well, they knocked us out of the European Cup, and now we're not going to let that happen again here.
Okay, so now let's get back to the company rather than the company we're keeping.
All day if you like.
Yes, we could, but we really want to support the enterprise development. So, just out of curiosity, is there any particular models or any ideas that you want the enterprises to think about how to take advantage of WebRTC?
Yeah, I think the real natural home for WebRTC is to explore around customer service. So there's a lot of discussion here around how it can really enhance the user experience, and that's kind of why we've backed it as a technology. We think it gets rid of all that friction in the user experience for initiating a chat session or a call. I think outside of that, it's about finding use cases and verticals where we're able to enhance their ability to make money by putting this technology and not adding a load of cost, but where things like face-to-face sales is really key in real estate or financial services, and we can enable that easily via the web. That's a great place to start innovating with WebRTC.
Excellent. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing more about Acision.
Great stuff.